So if you try to avoid, control, or isolate yourself from whatever it is that's causing you to feel traumatized, stressed, you are avoiding. If you are able to face whatever it is that is causing you to feel stressed out or any kind of challenges, you are on the road to healing. Let me give you an example. Let's say if it's a particular person that's causing you to feel stressed out, by isolating, avoiding, distracting your mind from interacting with this particular person, you are trying to avoid taking the necessary steps to help yourself to be more assertive and to overcome the fear of interacting with this person. It could not just be fear, it could be not the fear of the person, but the fear of you not being able to control your temper, not being able to control other feelings, like this person might eventually make you feel upset, sad, frustrated. So you avoid and distract your mind. That is clear avoidance. One very good sign that shows that you are well on your way to healing is, let's say if you have this particular person that's causing you extreme stress and anxiety. You make a plan in your mind that you're gonna approach this person to try to resolve the matter. Resolve meaning you want to feel comfortable communicating with this person for whatever reason. Perhaps it's because of work matters, school matters, or just general interpersonal relationship. You are able to face this challenge even if it's for a short period of time. Let's say you are able to communicate with this person assertively for just 2 to 3 minutes without feeling that anxiety inside of you. It shows that you're on the road to healing. So take note of the time or how you're able to face the challenge. If you are able to face at all, of course you can take small steps. You do not have to completely face it head on, straight up, bit by bit, perhaps a short interaction if it's a particular person. And from there, you slowly start building your confidence. Remember, not total isolation, distraction, and trying to control your thoughts, but having the presence of mind to say, I will face whatever it is that's causing me to feel this way, but I will face it bit by bit, and I will slowly get more comfortable. So that is healing. I hope you are on your way to full healing. Enjoy the animated video. See you next time.
Avoidance feels like running, but hitting the same stress wall? You're not healing, you're just bouncing.
Healing is neurological. Shake off the freeze. Freeze equals suppress. Feel the difference. Anger is energy. Healing isn't killing fire, it's changing fuel. Short breath equals fight. Long breath equals insight.
Body never lies. Avoidance masks the face. Healing shows in the legs. Shaky legs? You're resisting the exit. Healing expands your window. Can't force big stress into small calm. Break it down or it breaks you.
Healing feels light. Stuck and heavy. Avoiding.
Floating and calm. Growing. Now you know.